Are you tired? Are you out of energy? Well then, I have good news for you. Shazam! Introducing NESCAFÉ Gold Hazelnut Latte. So this is the front of the box, and it's golden, just like the name NESCAFÉ Gold, reflecting light nicely. It's new recipe, and it's made with naturally sourced ingredients. Left side, here's the guide. So you put the powder, then you put water. Very important, 85 degrees, not boiling water. Stir it for 20 seconds and it's ready to drink. The back, it has the nutrients, lot of sugar, 50 grams, some protein, 9 grams, and it's vegetarian friendly. And this is the right side. This is the coffee farmer. They're helping 100,000 coffee farmers to grow, so that's really good. Just the barcode and the top. Let's get inside. Here it seems like they are advertising other flavors. They have vanilla latte and cappuccino. Here's the bags. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bags in total. Let's put the rest of them away. The bag is nice, it's golden color. And the guide again here. And the ingredients. Let's pop it open. Here's the powder. Smells good. Let's put it inside the cup. Nice. Look at that. It's time to boil the water and drink it. Okay, the water has boiled, but we have to wait until it cools down to 85 degrees. Okay, the water is cooled down. Let's pour it in. Ooh. I think that's enough. It's hard with one hand, sorry. Stir it. 20 seconds. Ooh, look at that. That's coffee. That's real coffee. Okay, the coffee is ready. Look at that thick layer of foam on the coffee. Really nice. So much foam. Let's smell it. Interesting. It doesn't smell like traditional coffee at all. I can only smell the hazelnuts inside. Let's taste it. Yup, that's a lot of hazelnut inside the coffee. It's really unique flavor. Never tasted anything like this before. It's like when you go to Starbucks and they have these interesting flavors like pumpkin or like, you know, the rare flavors. This is like Starbucks flavor. But I don't like it as much as this Nescafé traditional coffees. Like the vanilla latte, that one is really good, 10 of 10. And the 3-in-1 Nescafé, instant coffee. That was really good too. But hazelnut, I don't think it fits for the coffee so much, to be honest. I mean, it's nice try and interesting flavor, but it's not for the coffee. But if you like hazelnut, maybe this is good for you. But personally, I don't like it so much. I think it's 7 out of 10. The other flavors of Nescafé are better. So yeah, thanks for watching this review, and make sure to hit like, subscribe, and check more videos over here, 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 and here. And I will see you guys in the next review. Thank you for watching. Ah.